install OpenPTV, liboptv, and PyPTV according to this instruction. So I will create new conda environment. Activate it, copy, paste, wait for the installation. Meanwhile, I will download Gravity, and I will start here. Voila. So we run sequence. We have here 500, 476, 35, and we do detected particles, and then we do tracking. But before that, we need to check. You see, this is new particle. We cancel it. Okay. And then tracking without display. This is the number of links. Okay. Now we have a normal number of particles in the first and the next, and normal number, small number of links. Most of it lost. A little bit is added. Okay. Now we do start again. Edit none.